Good evening, everyone. My name is Saksar Kumar. I am a student of Impact Academy Destiny of Success. I am pursuing my BTech course in Computer Science and Engineering. Our academy organized a student development program on machine learning using Python. So today's topic is machine learning using Python. My friend Subhajit Chaudhary and me present a brief presentation about it. So here is our index. What is machine learning? Why machine learning? Types of machine learning structure like supervised learning and unsupervised learning, training and testing, growth of machine learning, advantage and disadvantage, why Python is the most popular language used for machine learning, some data visualization about Python, conclusion and acknowledgement. What is machine learning? At first we know about the term of machine learning. The term of machine learning is used at 1959 by Arthur Samuels. Those days machine learning was not as popular as nowadays. So what is machine learning means? Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that input automatically through experience. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithm build a mathematical model based on sample data known as training data in order to make prediction of decision without being the specialty to do so. Machine learning is algorithm are used to wide variety of applications such as email filtering and computer vision, where it is difficult or impossible to develop the conventional algorithm to perform the needed task. Proceed to our next slide. What is machine learning? No human expert like industrial manufacturing control, mass spectrometer analysis, drug design, and astronomical discovery. Second point is black body human expert like face, handwriting, speech recognition, driving a car, flying a plane, and so on. Rapidly changing phenomena like creating, coding. The types of learning, there are three types of learning. You look that then it is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi supervised learning. What is supervised learning and how supervised learning works? The supervised learning means training, testing, documents, image, sound in the machine learning algorithm and going for private model to expected level. The new text and document, image, sound are feature vectors for private model to expected level. I am calling to my friend Subhajit Chaudhary for discuss about the further details. Please proceed.
Thank you, Sakhar, for giving me the chance to continue the presentation. Here I am Suji Choudhury. I am also a student of Impact Academy. Now moving to the next topic, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a machine learning technique where we do not need to supervise the model. Instead, we need to allow the model to work on its own to discover information. It mainly deals with the unlabeled data. Our next topic is training and testing. We need some valuable data to train our model. After that, we need to test the model to check its performance. Thus, our machine learning model is ready to perform. Here our next topic is growth of machine learning. Nowadays, from social media to e-commerce site, machine learning is everywhere and it's growing tremendously. Next, let's discuss about advantages and disadvantages of machine learning. Machine learning can easily identify trends and patterns. No human interaction needed and it can be handled multidimensional and multi varieties of data. It also have some disadvantages. We need huge amount of good quality data to train our model. If there are any problem to collecting data, we can't train our machine learning model. So data is very important for machine learning. Here the biggest question is why Python is most popular language used for machine learning. Actually, Python is a general purpose object oriented programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum as a hobby project in 1991. But that time it not used for machine learning. After some updates in 20s, then Python 2.7 and Python 3 come in the market. Then it widely used for machine learning because after the updates Python has multiple libraries, Python have community supports, and it's very easy to use. Thus the Python becomes so popular language for machine learning. Here are some data visualization about Python. In these images we can see that the Python is growing and growing continuously. Here we are presenting a simple overview of some techniques and algorithms in machine learning. Furthermore, there are more and more techniques apply machine learning as a solution. In the future, machine learning will play an important role in our daily life. We are very thankful to our Professor Mr. Sanjeev Majumdar sir, the founder of Impact Academy, for giving us such an opportunity to give a presentation on this topic. Thank you very much for watching our brief presentation about machine learning using Python. If anyone thinks that there are some mistakes in our presentation, so let us know that we can improve ourselves for the future presentations.